Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sydney Simone. As I can tell from the title, today's video is a vlog. Today I'm going to get my nose pierced, and I'm also going to try to get a surface tragus piercing as well. So I want to take you guys along with me. First, I'm going to show you guys my little outfit. So this is what I'm wearing today. Excuse my room, y'all. It's a little messy because I was like in a rush when I was getting ready. But I'm wearing this graphic tee that my brother got me for my birthday from Route 21. I'm wearing these little black shorts. These are jeans from H&M, but I cut them into shorts. For shoes, I'm wearing these black, green, and white Steve Madden sneakers that I got from Dillard's. And then for a bag, I'm wearing this new Steve Madden bag that my friend Deja bought me. And let's move closer. For earrings, I'm wearing these little black hoops from It's Fashion, which I usually don't really wear hoops. I just wear studs, but I'm trying not to be basic today. And I got my little braided ponytail. And yeah, this is the outfit for going to get my nose pierced. So let's go. Y'all, I gotta walk to the freaking parking garage to my car because we're having freshmen moving in on campus, so they're not letting us park like at our buildings because they want, you know, the freshmen and their parents to park there, whatever. So all right, okay y'all, we're in the car. I'm gonna be on my way. I will talk to y'all, but I want to listen to my music, so I'm going to catch you guys when I meet up with my sister and we get to like the piercing place. All right y'all, I made it to the tattoo and piercing place. As y'all can see, we're here, and I'm just waiting for KK to pull up so we can go inside. Hopefully it's not like a wait or anything. I hope that we can just go straight back. Hopefully they allow her to record me getting it done because I want like y'all to see the needle go in, you know. And hopefully they can do the surface tragus as well. I want it on this side where I already got my regular tragus. I think that's the name of the piercing. I think I'm saying the right word. But yeah, I think this that I already got is a regular tragus, and then what I want is a surface tragus that goes right there. So yes, I think it's gonna be real cute. And I'm gonna get my nose pierced on this side. I've had my nose pierced before, but I took it out because I couldn't get the bump to go away. But I'm gonna try again. So yeah, I know some tricks this time. People have been telling me like tea tree oil works really well for nose piercing bumps, and people have also like told me now that I took the piercing out that nose piercing bumps are actually really common. I didn't know that at the time. I thought that my nose was about to fall off and that I would have a bump in my nose for the rest of my life, and I was not going for that. So I took it out. But this time I know that it's common and I put tea tree oil on it and I should be good. So I'm gonna try it again. About time, baby. About time.
I'm scared.
Say hey to the vlog.
She's scared, y'all.
Oh Lord, my purse ain't coming out. Thanks, sister. How I beat you over here?
Dude, that's what I'm trying to figure out. I was like, dang, sitting here already. I ain't with no ATM with that.
You had?
Nah, I did.
Oh, I was finna say. I hope it ain't no wait. I'm scared. You scared?
Yes,
Oh. Yeah, she's talking about her nose hurt already. You must gotta work today. Is you gonna make it? Yeah, I'm gonna work today. Oh, okay. Let me see. hurt y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh. You like it? I think I like it too. You did it. She wanna cry, y'all. All right, write the pain.
Girl, I don't recommend. Look, I don't recommend. Nah, it wasn't even that bad, but I won't do it again. If this come out, I ain't getting another one.
She said if it come out, she ain't getting another one, y'all. What you rate the pain out of 10?
8.
8. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it hurt.
It did.
It hurt. I ain't
It's
gonna
not
care.
it wasn't as bad as I expected, but
It hurt though. Mine last one did not hurt this bad, and my last one did not bleed. So
yeah, yours
I'm scared. Look, it's still bleeding a little bit. All right, y'all. So as y'all saw, I got my piercings. I actually really love them for real. I feel like the nostril and septum piercing combo is unmatched, and I freaking love my surface tragus as well. I really feel like that girl. As y'all saw, the nose piercing really did hurt. I think I would probably give it like a good 8 out of 10. The surface tragus, it really didn't hurt that bad. I felt it, but it was like so quick. That was like a 4, like a 3 or 4. That wasn't bad at all. But the nose, yeah, that was definitely 8 or 9 out of 10. It definitely hurt. But I still recommend it because it's so cute, and it happens so fast that it's over now. The shop we went to, I only paid $50, $30 for the nose ring, $20 for the tragus. Not bad at all. I would definitely be back for any other piercings that I want because their prices are really good. The woman was nice. The woman at the counter was nice. The woman that actually pierced it, she wasn't the most friendly or talkative, but she wasn't rude. She was fine. And yeah, I enjoyed my experience. So thank you guys for coming along with me, and I guess I will just see y'all in the next video. Bye.